I'm going to show you a way to use a paper and clip it to this tag, and then we're going to go ahead and resize this cluster. First of all, I don't want this pink tag or rose tag. I want it to be brown, and I want it to be turned sideways. So we're going to do Control-T and just turn that tag, or you could come up to image, rotate, and 90 degrees left. Oops, I did the whole thing, the whole paper, rather than just that little image there. There we go. Okay, so probably most of you know to create a clipping mask, we're going to put this paper on top of the tag because that's what we want to clip the paper to the tag. And to do that, we're just going to hold down the Alt key, hover our mouse in between the brown paper and the tag, and you'll see that little down pointing arrow. When we click left, click on that, then that paper is going to clip right to that tag, and now we're going to have this beautiful brown tag here. And I think probably most of you already know how to do that, but I wanted to cover it because I know there are some new people in class tonight. Okay, now let's bring this border up and bring up Control-T again. And we're going to resize this real small. Remember I said we don't have to use the whole thing. And I think that's good. If we make it too much smaller than that, we're not really going to be able to see it. And so now let's go ahead and hold down that Alt again and clip that border to that paper. And now we've changed the pink tag to a brown tag, and we have a cute little border on it. We could also have done it the other way by going to, whoops, I should have gone the other way. Rotate. We could have done it this way and had the border going this way if we wanted. I just didn't want to do it that way. This is a fun one. We're still talking about borders, and I think it took me a while to realize you don't have to put borders on the edges of paper. You can put them on anything. You can put them on frames. You can incorporate them into all kinds of things, but let's go ahead and do this frame here. I'm going to just do Control-T to make this a little bit smaller. That looks good. I want to put that underneath the frame so it looks nice. Now, a lot of people I know are uncomfortable making clusters or borders or things like that. And again, when these are pre-made for you and you can just toss them onto your paper, it's, you know, a super, super easy way to get going fast. Now, this looks odd, of course, because it's the bottom, and I had already gone ahead and done a couple little things.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
And when I open this, you can see all it is this is a piece of lace, string. I stapled them together. This is a piece of word art, and then the little kitten. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, 5 if you count the frame. You got a super cute layout because you have just used this border in a different way.
Wasn't that just the cutest little kitten in the world there? Oh my goodness, so cute. Anyway, this is Michelle Stelling, and I'm so happy that you watched this Sunday snippet. If you want to join us in our private Facebook group, go ahead and hop on over to Facebook and search for Photo Editing and DigiScrap Community. Go ahead and hit that join button, and then I'll let you in. There's over, let's see, what is it, 14,000 people in there already, so you'll be able to chat with like-minded individuals and keep up with some of the latest free tutorials. So check us out over there. You can also check us out on Instagram and YouTube. I'm trying to get myself up on Pinterest. I have a few videos up there, so if you want to check out Pinterest, I think it's /NAODS. I'm not even sure. And then I'm also on, did I say Instagram? What was the other one? Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. And that's about it. Whew. All right. Well, thanks for joining me and watching Karen's little snippet taken from her How to Stretch Your Stash class. And that was in 2019. members only class, go take a look at it inside of the Photo Editing and DigiScrap Academy. Bye for now, everyone.